Alright, let's now talk about why nitrogen is so important for plants. First of all, nitrogen plays a vital role in helping plants produce amino acids, which are the basic building blocks of proteins. Proteins are incredibly important because they act as enzymes and catalysts, meaning they're involved in almost every single chemical process that keeps the plant alive and functioning properly. Now, here's something interesting: plants can't actually use nitrogen gas straight from the air, even though it's all around them. Instead, they depend on special forms of nitrogen found in the soil, specifically something called nitrate ions. These are made available with the help of nitrogen-fixing bacteria that break down organic materials in the soil. Once these nitrate ions are absorbed through the plant's roots, they're not used on their own. They combine with glucose, which the plant produces during photosynthesis. This sets off a chain of chemical reactions, one of which is known as amination. That's the step where nitrogen is added to a carbon-based molecule. And what does that lead to? The formation of amino acids. These amino acids are then linked together to form proteins, which the plant uses to build its structure and carry out essential life processes. So, as you can see, nitrogen plays a key role in helping plants make amino acids, which are the basic units that build proteins. These proteins are vital for the plant's structure and all its internal functions. Plants take in nitrogen from the soil mainly in the form of nitrate ions. Once inside the plant, these nitrate ions combine with glucose, which is produced during photosynthesis, to form amino acids. These amino acids are then used to build proteins, which support growth, repair, and other essential processes in the plant. Now, what if the plant doesn't get enough nitrates? Well, since nitrates are necessary for amino acid and protein production, a lack of them means the plant can't grow properly. It struggles to build new cells, and as a result, you'll see stunted growth and yellowing of the leaves, which is a clear sign of nitrogen deficiency. This yellowing happens because the plant can't produce enough chlorophyll without proper protein support. So in short, no nitrates means no proteins, and that means poor growth and unhealthy plants.